Ready to turn your creative ideas into stunning merchandise? Meet the Merch Design Creator AI Agent, a powerful tool for designing and marketing your merch. Getting started is simple. Just enter a theme or idea, think animals, hobbies, or inspiring quotes. For this demo, let's pick fitness and gym motivation from the examples dropdown. In about 30 seconds, the AI generates a design and a product listing. Note, the image must be enlarged or vectorized and may need further refinement in a graphics program before finalizing your design.
A few moments later.
The AI goes beyond design, creating attention-grabbing product titles, descriptions, and keywords tailored for platforms like Amazon Merch on Demand, Redbubble, and Spreadshirt. Important: always ensure the images and text are free of copyrights, trademarks, and intellectual property issues before using them commercially. With the Merch Design Creator AI Agent, turning your ideas into sellable merch has never been easier. Start creating today at bit.ly/merch-design-creator.